Hey, I'm Valerie. I am a service technician with Progressive Air Systems. I am here today to talk to you about the Ecobee 5 thermostat and show you a little bit about it and what its features are. The Ecobee is a stylish Wi-Fi thermostat that is capable of controlling from the control up here, or you can control it from your device anywhere that you're at. All right. Here's our Ecobee. It is normally used by scheduling. So the normal person, when you set this up, it comes programmed automatically for scheduling. To do that, you're gonna go into your menu. You're gonna go into your comfort settings. You're gonna set your home, away, and sleep. Your desired temperatures for when you're at all of those places. So once you got all those set up, then you're gonna go out of there. You're gonna go into your schedule. And then you can go ahead and set up for each day of the week when you want those desired temperatures to be on your thermostat there. Another feature on this thermostat is our sensors. So they've got room sensors on them. So we can have one or two in any rooms that may be a little too hot or a little too cold in your home. You can put those in those rooms and set those up. And the way that works is it's gonna give you an average. So if your main room is at 78, and your bedrooms are all, say, at 80, it's going to read 79 on your thermostat. And it's going to cool until that average temperature comes down to 78. All right, so that's kind of how that works. It's also got a Follow Me on it and an Eco Plus, that's the Eco Plus option. And what that does, if it doesn't sense anyone in those rooms, it shuts off that room sensor so that it doesn't use too much energy to cool those rooms. And the way that works, it actually goes by body heat. And the body heat of a person and an animal is different. So don't worry, if you have a big dog at home, it's not gonna to read that dog and think that you're home and keep that house cool from that, all right? You can turn that off or turn that on if you like that. Some people do, some people don't. One of the other features, it's got the smart home. And what that does is when you got your programming options in there, and say you've got, so when you get home, you want it to be 76, and when you're not home, it's at 78. All right, it's gonna turn the thermostat on a little early so that by the time you get home, it's at your desired temperature. All right, so to change between heat and cool normally, you're gonna go into your system, you're gonna go right here, HVAC, and you got your heat cool options there. For your dehumidification, your normal settings, what is mostly comfortable as standard is between 56 and 58%. Of course, you can do it whatever you like, it's your desired, but to change that, you go here and you just slide this little slider over, and that's gonna to change your dehumidification settings, okay? One of the other features on this thermostat, you've got vacation mode. So if you're going on vacation and you wanna set it up so where it's not gonna be too hot, but it's not gonna use too much energy while you're gone, you're gonna go under vacation here. You're gonna hit plus when you're leaving, when you're coming back, and then you're gonna go in here and put the highest and the lowest temperatures that you want. So say you want cooling, you don't want it to be any higher than, say, 82. And you're heating at 60, and it's gonna save it there and keep your house in those temperatures while you're gone. All right, and then you've got the reminders. So you've got your preferences here. You set up your reminders for your maintenance, your filter, UV lights, all that kind of stuff. You don't have to worry about remembering that stuff. Set it up right here. Your thermostat's gonna remind you, send you notifications and emails so you don't miss anything. Let's see, and then we've got, if you don't want to use the programming mode, not everybody likes that, and that's okay. You're gonna go under settings, you're gonna come down here to preferences, and you're gonna go to hold action. And then usually it's gonna stay until your next scheduled activity. You can put until I change it, or decide at time of change whether you wanna keep it there or go back to your programming. That way you can use it or not. One of the other features on this thermostat is the Alexa. It's got Alexa. If you enable her, she can do anything most Alexas can do. She can play music, she can set reminders, any of those kinds of things, and then she can also change the temperature for you. Alexa, turn the air conditioning down 2 degrees.
The AC is set to 72.
and it's gonna turn it right down for you. And then it's got until my next scheduled time, and then I'll decide at that time. So that's all the features of our Ecobee thermostat. It's a great thermostat to have. Definitely recommend it. Give us a call. If you're interested, we can answer any questions that you have, or we can come out and install one for you. Our number is 727-847-3898.